Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a New Year's Eve look. I did the smokiness, the glitz, the glam, the glitter, the gloss, the whole 9 yards for you guys today in order to ring in the new year and kiss 2020 goodbye. Sayonara, peace out, will not miss you, do not come back. And I feel like a lot of people feel that way. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl Bree so you guys can see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, I already did my brows off camera and I also did my eyes. I primed them with some concealer and I set it with Laura Mercier translucent powder in Honey. And the palettes I'm going to be using today are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be using Soft Glam and Norvina today. And let's go ahead and get started. The first shade I'm going to pick up is from the Soft Glam palette, and that's in the orange soda shade, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to put that in my outer crease. And this is on a Sonia Kashuk rounded crease brush. How is everybody else doing? Is everybody else ready to say goodbye to 2020? Let me know. Like I said, I think majority of people are ready for 2021, for sure. This year was really difficult for a lot of people, including myself. But a fresh new start with the new year. We can only go up from here, right? Okay, now I'm going to bounce back into the Norvina palette and I'm going to pick up the shade called Love, which is this one right here, and just put that into my inner crease. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions for 2021? Please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your guys's. I don't really have any this year. I would just say to obviously provide better content more frequently, you know, get some more of you guys to watch my videos, and that's pretty much it. Because I've said like get fit before and all that stuff, but I'm just like, who are we kidding, Bree? I did join a gym membership though, which is really good. I go with my roommate, super fun. We're trying to get fit for the summer, so excited about that. Everything's outside, so that's kind of interesting, different. But ours still has an inside open, so I'm still going inside because it's cold as hell outside. All right, so now we are going to smoke it out a little bit and, you know, make it a little bit more sultry for New Year's Bay, New Year's Eve Bay. You never know when you're gonna run into him. So I'm gonna pick up from the Soft Glam palette this black shade right here. I think it's called Noir. Noir, like Pinot Noir. That's what I think of. Major wino. I love the wine. Okay. So I'm just pretty much gonna do the outer V area and just work it into the crease a little bit, picking it up on the same blending brush. And the thing with black, you don't wanna go in too heavy because black is kind of intimidating, but just do a little bit at a time. Gonna put it on the outer edge. I'm just kind of slowly working it into that pink shade. Actually, I kind of want to use a pencil brush instead because it'll really get in there. I'm just going to use a little blending brush and just form the outer V area going up. Just tapping it, going towards the tail, and then I'm just going to connect it up here. And this is going to give the eye more dimension. Kind of just like lifts it a little bit as a cat eye. The thing with this technique is you just have to blend and take your time with it. I'm going to lay down a base because I'm going to put some glitter on. But I want it to have like a shade under it, like a rose gold shade, because the glitter I got is rose gold. I'm going to dip back into a Soft Glam. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Rose Pink. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Sonia Kashuk This is a petite smudge, and I'm just gonna lay down that color. Ooh, there we go, that's pretty. But yeah, I just want to, you know, grow my YouTube channel. I want to grow my Insta. I want to come out with some bomb ass looks. All that good stuff for my New Year's resolution. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I joined the gym. Maybe tighten up a little bit, but I'm not going to be too hard on myself because I always say I want to get a six-pack, but it never happens. Six-pack is really hard to get. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with NYX Glitter Brilliant, and I'm also using a NYX Glitter Primer. I hope everybody had a nice Christmas spent with loved ones and family or friends. That's what I did. Exchanged gifts. It was super low-key, very chill. We watched Christmas movies and we drank. It was fun. So pretty. I need more glitter. Give me some more glitz, some glam. Give it to me. No need to be shy. Freaking New Year's. I remember when I was younger, when my family had New Year's, we would always like spend it together. We'd get apple cider for us because, you know, we were younger. And we'd watch the ball drop together. And then I remember one year my parents let me like go with pots in the hands and just like in the middle of the night just go around the neighborhood and start slamming That was kind of wild, but it was so much fun. We were making so much noise. The good old days. Now that I have all this ish on me, I didn't even like think about that. I'm gonna have to fix this. But what I'm gonna do off camera is I'm going to add some lashes for you guys, and I'm just going to do a little bit of tight lining so then the lashes will blend in with the eyeliner, and that's pretty much it. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I lied. So I went ahead and put on a base just to save some time, but now I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. I added my lashes. This is House of Lashes in the style Allura Light. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up Noir and smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna do this on a Morphe M432. Maybe I should set down some translucent powder just in case. Because I don't want black all over me. Yeah, I can't wait for New Year's. You know, LA, everything is closed right now, so nobody's really going anywhere. So I'm just gonna have my friends celebrate with my roommate and friend. Just chill. I'm still gonna get dressed up though. I decided. I made like an extra hot for 2021. Because I am ready. Past New Year's, like I said, when I was younger, did that with family. What else? I went to a rave one time for the first time. Countdown. What else have I done? I mostly just go to clubs, like either with girlfriends, you know, and dance and have fun and drink. That's like my staple. But nightclubs are closed now, so I can't really do that. Which sucks. One year I fractured my foot. That was fun. Not really. It was crazy. But it was at a nightclub. I love me some nightclubs. I love dancing. Alright, now for the waterline, I'm gonna go back in with Rose Pink and put that in my waterline. I'm just gonna use this NYX matte bronzer and bronze her up. I added some mascara to the bottom lashes, and now it's time to get into some blush. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna use my OG Marbled Light Dusk from Ciate, London. I'll get some new blush next time I go to the store, I promise. Alright y'all, and to stick with the rose gold beam, I'm gonna go in with Too Faced, their fancy pink diamond. Okay, you know the usual high points of the face. Oh, this doesn't even have a mirror. I was using it as a mirror. I mess such up so fast. Okay. For setting spray, I'm gonna go in with Morphe. And last but not least, we have lippies. This is in the shade Bella. I don't know why I said it like that, Bella. I think it's a little too pink for me, so I'm gonna mix it in with nude lip gloss. Alright guys, this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, but I also wanted to say a few words just because this is the end of 2020. 2020 I know was such a hard year for so many people, including myself. It was so hard. And I feel like one of the positives that came from it was me starting my channel, and I just want to say that I'm super, super grateful for anybody who follows me, anybody who watches my videos, comments, or, you know, reposts me or anything like that. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me, and I just appreciate anybody's support. It just means the world to me. And, you know, I've only been doing this less than a year. So like I said, in February, it'll be my anniversary for my YouTube channel from when I started it. But honestly, this is like the only thing, the best thing to happen for me in 2020 was for me to just go for it and start my dream. And I've come such a long way, and I know I have so much more to go and so much more to learn, but I already feel like I've accomplished so much, and I'm just so proud of myself. And I just want to say thank you to my subscribers, and thank you guys so much for, like I said, supporting me and just watching me grow as, you know, a content creator, if you will, you little YouTuber, a little beauty channel that I am. And this one's to you. I wish you guys all the best in 2021. I wish I could cheers to you guys. I wish we could spend New Year's together, but I know because of COVID, a lot of people are limited. And I also want to say that if you're feeling alone or down or just feel like giving up or anything like that, I just want to say hold on. You know, it's only going to get better. We can only go up from here, and you're not alone. And if you ever need anybody to talk to, you can always comment on me. If my friends, I know some of my friends are on here, you guys can always hit me up or anything like that if you're feeling down or just like times are just getting really hard. It's okay to feel that way, and especially like what we're going through right now, this pandemic is very depressing, and it's kind of inevitable not to feel it. So you're not alone in that, and just hold on and it will get better. Take it day by day. I promise you it will get better. And thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait for 2021. So cheers to you guys. Happy New Year 2021. Here we come. Hey. Ooh, that's good. Prosecco. I've never had Prosecco, but that's pretty good. It makes me want mimosas. But cheers to you guys. Again, thank you so much for all the love and support. It means the world to me, and I'm so grateful for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in 2021 next year, baby. Have a great New Year's, guys. Bye. I was gonna sour. Cheers. Dink. Why am I moving so much? It's on intros. Was this on me the whole